Ever cracked your knuckles and someone yelled, "Stop that. You'll get arthritis"? Well, good news, that's a myth. Let's break it down. When you crack your joints, you're not grinding bones or snapping tendons, you're actually popping gas bubbles inside your synovial fluid, the stuff that lubricates your joints. Here's how it works: when you pull or twist a joint, the pressure inside the joint space changes. That causes dissolved gases like nitrogen to form a bubble, which then collapses, and pop, that's the sound you hear. And no, studies have shown cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. One doctor even cracked his knuckles on one hand for 60 years and never developed arthritis in either. So go ahead and pop away, just maybe not during a quiet movie.